Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you how to make 2 different lip scrubs that will help to get rid of dry, chapped lips. These lip scrubs are beginner friendly and super easy to make. You only need a few ingredients. Want to see how I make these luscious and perfectly scented lip scrubs? Well, keep watching. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I create a new video. So all you need for this lip scrub is granulated sugar and sweet almond oil. So I'm using 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and I'm going to combine that with 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. Then I'm just gonna give it a stir. So these are the main ingredients and really the only 2 that you need to make a basic lip scrub. So I had a little bit of oil left in my bowl, and so I'm just making sure that I used it all, so I'm emptying my bowl very well. So now I'm going to add in my lip flavor. So I'm using a strawberry lip flavor, and it's going to give my lip scrub a nice scent that makes you actually want to eat it. But guys, do not eat this lip scrub, okay? Just enjoy the smell. So I added in about 10 to 12 drops of the lip flavor. So now I'm going to mix my lip flavor really well, and I'm going to add it to a 2-ounce jar. So the consistency of this strawberry scented lip scrub sort of reminds me of a more firm sugar scrub. So it has a little bit more grit and less oil. So if you have super chapped lips, then this particular lip scrub will work great for you. So guys, this is by far the easiest and most beginner-friendly lip scrub that you can make at home in minutes. So now that we have our first lip scrub, let's move on to the second lip scrub. So ingredients for our next lip scrub include 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a ½ teaspoon of rose clay, and 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. And guys, stick around until the end of the video where I show you how to make this lip scrub more creamy for those who like a softer lip scrub. So as you can see, I placed my sugar in a bowl. Now I'm placing my oil in the same bowl, and I'm just going to mix them together. So I like to pour in my oil a little bit at a time, just so I can see what kind of consistency I'm getting. And so as you can see, this consistency is similar to that of the first lip scrub that I made, and now I'm going to add in my rose clay and mix it up. So guys, not only is rose clay going to give my lip scrub a beautiful color, but the rose clay is also an excellent exfoliator, and it helps to improve circulation. So for this lip scrub, I'm going to add in a minty flavor. And it's a bit slow coming out of the bottle, but mint can be a bit stronger than some of the other scents and flavors. So I'm only adding in about 5 to 6 drops of this mint flavor, and I'm going to mix it in. So for this scrub, I decided to make a little extra, so I'm adding in another tablespoon of sugar so that I can show you towards the end of this video exactly how to make this particular lip scrub a little bit more soft and a little bit more creamy. And now I'm just adding it into my jar. And this lip scrub is a little bit more grainy than the first, but I'm going to show you in just a minute how to alleviate that. So to make this lip scrub more soft and creamy, all you have to do is add more oil. So more oil helps to soften the sugar and it makes it more spreadable when you're applying it to your lips. See how soft it looks? And now I'm just going to add it to another 2-ounce jar. So guys, we've created 3 different lip scrubs with 3 different textures using only 3 ingredients and of course some lip flavor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. The recipe and the ingredients can be found in the description box below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!